Namaskar and Namaste and welcome to Krish Entertainment and this is your Ragini and right now we are with Vijay जी. विजय जी थोड़ा सा आपके बारे में बताइए और किस तरह से आप नाट्य दर्पण को इतना ढेर सारा प्यार दिया है इतने 10 साल ये 10 साल में.
ओके मैं नाट्य प्रेमी हूँ और मैंने न्यू मराठी विश्व के लिए 7-8 नाटक में खुद काम किया है. तो इससे आपको मालूम होगा कि मुझे नाट्य दर्पण क्यों पसंद है. एक तो मल्टीलिंगुअल है, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस के देखने मिलते हैं. बंगाली है, जैसे आज बंगाली है, मराठी है, कल शायद इंग्लिश है. सो डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस के प्ले हमको देखने मिलते हैं. दैट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. वो हमको और कहीं देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे. उसके लिए स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट करनी पड़ती है. ये अब बैठे बैठे हमको एक ही जगह पे ये देखने मिलती हैं. सो दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस पार्ट.
विजय जी इज़ फ्रॉम मराठा विश्वा एंड विजय जी आपके दो शब्द अबाउट ऑल द थिएटर लवर्स एज वेल एज ऑल द बैकग्राउंड आर्टिस्ट्स ऑफ नाट्य दर्पण हु मेड इट पॉसिबल फॉर लास्ट 10 years.
I know how much effort they have to put in to present these plays, how much work they have to do, not only the actors but the other helping people. So that's really commendable, and I appreciate all these efforts so that so many Natya Premi of Natya Darpan, they come and get to see these beautiful presentations. And thank you very much.
Thank you so much for staying with us, Vijay ji. It was nice meeting you.
आपका नाम क्या बताया?
Ragini.
रागिनी जी, thank you very much. Thanks a lot, Natya Darpan, once again. Let's enjoy the plays.
Thank you, Vijay ji. It is really our pleasure from the Krishi family because we are with Shilpa ji. Shilpa ji herself an artist. She's a painter.
Yes, absolutely. An artist painting in various mediums. Watercolors. It's like a fusion of the Indian and American art. And currently I have an exhibition running. So you can call me that, an artist.
Absolutely. शिल्पा जी आप कितने साल से नाट्य दर्पण के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं?
हाँ, तो ये स्टोरी बहुत अनोखी है. हम लोग अशोक और गौरी, डॉक्टर अशोक चौधरी had this idea of Natya Darpan about 10 years ago, and that's from that time onwards we've supported him because there has been a gap in the Indian society over here in New Jersey कि छोटे plays नहीं थे यहाँ पे. We were missing out, and that's why Ashok had this idea of coming up with this multi-language plays to be brought to New Jersey. So to answer your question, I've been part of Natya Darpan for 10 years and more.
Two best thing that you really love about Natya Darpan?
Well, the first thing, it's a feast to have plays in all different languages. India is a bouquet of different languages, different kind of culture within India itself, and you see that portrayed through Natya Darpan. So that's one thing that I love. And the second is the unique ideas and the local artists who present these plays. It's very nice to see all the local artists step up and bring forward all these unique ideas.
Thank you so much for being here with us, Shilpa ji, and wish you all the best for an artist's mind and creativity. And I know that how much you love Natya Darpan. So, दो शब्द हमारे आर्टिस्ट फ्रेंड्स के लिए जो अभी हम लोगों को सुन रहे हैं, उनके लिए आप दो शब्द बताओ कि जो उनको भी मोटिवेट करे कि जो भी है खुद के अंदर उसको बाहर निकाले और एवरीडे लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ एनहांस करे विद आर्ट.
Yeah. So art is a medium of being stress-free. That's all I'll say. If you have it in you, share it. Stress-free and sharing. Those are the two key words that I would like all artists to keep in mind.
I am with the team Gandhari. Well, I know that you guys are thinking what I'm talking about, but this is right here is Manojji with me. Hi Manojji, how are you?
Good. How are you? Thank you.
I am fantastic. You have to introduce me to everyone.
Okay, all right. Let me first start on that side. This is Anand Ghanekar. He is the director of the play Yugantar. We are from Team California Arts Association. This is Gandhari, Hemangi Wadekar. This is Sakhi, Ila Badge. And this is Samruddhi Ghaisa. She plays the role of Draupadi.
Fantastic. I'm going to ask the director a little bit about it because it was a beautiful direction, or I should say the script play. I don't know what to say, but the playwright was beautiful. So please let us know a little bit about your idea for this. I mean, what was your thought bringing this beautiful idea in it?
Basically, this play talks about the liberation of women, and he brought that subject very tactfully through the Mahabharata with the conversation with Sakhi at the perspective of the common person towards Draupadi, and then Draupadi put her perspective to her feelings, and it's a different play, and he thought different way, and that's why that play was so beautiful.
Now my question is, I'm gonna shift. Now my question is Gandhari herself, because I know that in Mahabharata you never saw her that opening her eyes. What was that moment?
So, this play I can say was an eye opener from me to start with, even with the blindfold, because it gave a different perspective of Gandhari, which at least I had never thought of, and made me think, what can an actor ask more?
Your part was Sakhi, and I don't know because I cannot really judge you. I just loved it so much when you guys were playing it. I was literally moving for that, even though I don't understand Marathi. I was reading the script, but what was the most challenging part for you? I'm sorry. I'm asking the question again. Hold on. Oh, he got mad with me. All right, okay. So now I'm with Sakhi, who has taken the part of Sakhi, and I am overwhelmed by the performance because when you did that, like I was overwhelmed because I don't understand the language. I was literally reading it, but at the same time, I was totally mesmerized by the entire act. So when you took this role, what was in your mind? Like how much challenging it was?
It was definitely a very challenging role, especially because as you saw, it switches between being her best friend companion, Gandhari's companion, but she gets to also play Draupadi. So the biggest part for this role is just the depth of someone who is sort of insignificant but still understanding the mindset of the most prominent figures of Mahabharata and how she could just play back and forth between being herself and Draupadi and still put 4 different perspectives for Gandhari to think about. So that was definitely the most challenging and exciting part for me.
So after her, I have the main part, who is of course Draupadi, who played Draupadi on stage. So we all know that Draupadi has an divine identity. Also, she is like a Virangana, and also the perspective of being Draupadi, right? How was that when you knew that you were chosen for that?
Oh, that's a big question. Draupadi for me is a strong woman, and I was blessed to be chosen to perform her. And I think it's kind of a representation for us, I would say, who is digesting every single part of life and all the life events and emerging as a very powerful entity. So that's what my perspective on Draupadi was, and I was very, very, very blessed to have played that role.
2 words that you can describe Natya Darpan.
Natya Darpan, Amazing and supportive. Okay.
2 words that you can describe Natya Darpan. Sir,
Natya Darpan is dedicated for the drama and enthusiastic artists like
I'm
us.
gonna ask again. Hold on. 2 words that you can describe Natya Darpan. That why you like Natya Darpan.
Because Natya Darpan is committed to performing art, that is a drama. That's one thing, and they do it consistency for last 10 years. And I like the hospitality of the Natya Darpan people.
Thank you so much for being here with us. This is your Ragini, and yes, I'm representing Krish Entertainment. Thank you for watching us. Satyajit is here with us. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
You are an actor, and you have just watched Jatayu as well as Yugantar. How was it?
Both the plays were outstanding, especially Jatayu. It was a musical drama, and it was just a solo performance by Miss Mabel Sare, and she just nailed it. It was outstanding. She got a standing ovation, needless to say. So.
What you really like about Natya Darpan? Because I know that you have performed here as well.
Absolutely, I am associated with Natya Darpan for a long. I got an opportunity to direct my plays 3 times for Natya Darpan. It's their 10th year. It's a big milestone to them, and I wish them best wishes. Thank you.
2 things that you want to describe Natya Darpan. Not 2 things. 2 words that you can describe Natya Darpan.
They're very quality conscious, and they promote local talent.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.